Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 32. A convex mirror is used as a driving mirror because 1. Its image is erect, 2. It has a large field of view, 3. It has a long focal length. Now we are asked to identify the correct statement. Now, a convex mirror is used as a driving mirror because of the following reasons. Number 1, because it gives an erect image. It gives an erect image of an object. It gives erect image of an object behind the driver, so it enables the driver to see objects behind him, and it gives this object as erect image. Now, another reason is that it has a wide field of view. Now, convex mirror provides the driver with a wide field of view so that he can have a very wide range of view of objects behind him, and that is why you notice that the size of objects and the image is not always equal. Because of this wide field of view, the object appears closer and smaller than normal. So these are the two benefits, or the two reasons why convex mirror is used as driving mirror. And looking at this statement, it's agree with statement 1 and statement 2. Therefore, I and II is correct, and that is option B. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.